Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a common issue: ice buildup in your freezer. This can be a real headache, reducing space and impacting your food. We're going to walk through a step-by-step process to test your defrost heater, which is often the culprit. First, a quick word on why this happens. Ice buildup occurs because of moisture, which is a natural byproduct of your freezer's operation. This moisture freezes and accumulates over time. Your freezer has a defrost system, including a heater, to melt this ice periodically. Now, let's gather your tools. You'll need a multimeter, a screwdriver, and potentially some gloves for safety. Make sure your freezer is unplugged from the power source for safety. This is the most crucial step. Next, locate your freezer's back panel. You may need to remove shelves or drawers to access it. Unscrew the panel and gently remove it. Be careful, as there might be sharp edges. Inside, you'll see the evaporator coils and the defrost heater, usually a tube-shaped element. This is the component we're testing. The heater is typically located near the evaporator coils. Now, let's get that multimeter ready. Set it to the continuity or resistance setting, often indicated by an ohm symbol. We're looking for continuity, which means the heater circuit is complete. Carefully disconnect the heater's wires. Sometimes, these are held in place with connectors. Touch the multimeter probes to the heater terminals. If the multimeter displays a reading close to 0 or indicates continuity, the heater is likely good. If the multimeter shows OL or no reading, the heater is likely faulty and needs replacing. Note the resistance reading from the multimeter. While you're at it, inspect the defrost thermostat, another essential component. It controls the heater's operation. It's usually a small, round device located near the heater or coils. Test this component. Set your multimeter to the continuity setting. Disconnect the thermostat's wires and touch the probes to the terminals. For a normally closed thermostat, there should be continuity at room temperature. For a normally open thermostat, there should be no continuity at room temperature. This can vary, so check your appliance's manual for specific instructions. Now, it's time to reassemble everything. Carefully replace the back panel, reconnect all wires, and plug your freezer back in. Give it some time to start cooling and see if the ice buildup returns. If the heater was faulty, replacing it should solve the problem. If the thermostat was faulty, replacing it may also fix the issue. If the issue persists, other components, like the defrost timer or the control board, might be the problem. You might need to consult a professional at this point. Testing these components can save you money on repair costs. By following these steps, you can troubleshoot the ice buildup issue and keep your freezer running efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more appliance repair tips. See you in the next one.